Wake up! It's time!
Already? Look, there are people.
Ah, a school visit!
Great! I love that! Get ready! They
Great energy! Come on, follow me. Step in to the Hall of Origins. Let's start where it all began. And now, the Hall of Wonders.
Oh, kids, you have brightened up our day. Come back whenever you like. And always remember,
there was nothing but a forest. Rising up to the sky, trees spoke to trees. Monkeys, snakes, and birds spoke to trees. In one language, we understood each other. There was nothing but a forest. And I saw them, vanished, exiled. The three of them living in the depths of the jungle. Rama, the great prince of Ayodhya. His brother, the brave Lakshmana. And Sita, Rama's beloved wife. Just like the way I'm looking at you right now, I saw Ravana, king of Lanka, kidnapping Sita. I saw Ravana kill Jatayu, the old vulture king, who tried to save Sita from his clutches. Then I saw Sugriva, the king of the monkeys, offering Rama his army. Hanuman, the commander of the monkey army, led the mission. Everyone marched in search of Sita and her cruel kidnapper. In the jungle, they formed a coalition to find Sita and punish Ravana, the demon. The birds united with the snakes. The snakes joined the trees. The trees allied with the monkeys. All that was deeply alive in the forest rallied around Rama and joined hands against evil, declaring the end of Ravana and the return of Sita. I saw Rama giving his ring to Hanuman and blessing the great warrior in his mission. It was the start of their great friendship. From my treetop, I watched Hanuman leap over the ocean to Ravana's kingdom in Lanka Island, where he detained Sita. The forest offered itself to the monkey army to build a huge bridge to Lanka. monkeys across the sea to Lanka Island. A fierce battle began between Sugriva's and Ravana's armies. Thousands of great warriors of both armies were killed. Then, on the battlefield, fires extinguished. The fighting stopped. There was a huge silence. Suddenly, a victorious roar rose from Lanka Island. There were songs of triumph from Sugriva's soldiers. We sang to the glory of Hanuman and praised the courage of the brothers Rama and Lakshmana. They celebrated Sita's rescue and Ravana's defeat. There was nothing but a forest. Trees spoke to trees. Monkeys, snakes, and birds spoke to trees. In one language, we understood each other.